What are multiples? Multiples of a number are the products we get in the multiplication table of that number. For example, multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. Multiples never ends. 77 also is a multiple of 7. When 7 is multiplied by 11, we get 77 as a multiple. Likewise, we can write multiples of every numbers. Let's see properties of multiples. The first one is every number is a multiple of 1. For example, 4 is a multiple of 1. In the multiplication table of 1, we will get 4 as a multiple. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Next property is every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 5 is a multiple of 5. The first multiple of a given number is the number itself. The first multiple of 100 is 100. The first multiple of 1000 is 1000, like that. Next property is 0 is the multiple of every number. If we multiply 0 with a number, we will get 0 as a multiple. Next one is the multiple of a number is divisible by that number. An important property. For example, 10 is a multiple of 5. We will get 10 as a multiple in the multiplication table of 5 as 5 into 2 is equal to 10. In this, we can understand 10 is divisible by 5. That is, 10 by 5 is equal to 2, which is completely divisible without any reminders. Next property is there are countless multiples for a given number. That means multiplication table never ends. Multiple of 2 can be continue beyond 20, multiple of 10 can be continue beyond 100, like that. Do you know what is common multiple? Common multiples are the multiple that are common to two or more numbers. Let's find out the first four common multiples of 3 and 6. First, write multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on are the multiples of 3. Then write multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. Then find out which numbers are common among them. The common numbers are 6, 12, 18, and 24. These are the first four common numbers. So, the first four common multiples are 6, 12, 18, and 24. Can you write the multiplication factors of 24? I mean, 24 can be arranged in different ways. The multiplication factors of 24 are 1 into 24 is equal to 24, 2 into 12 is equal to 24, 3 into 8 is equal to 24, and 4 into 6 equal to 24. That we will get from the multiplication table. From the multiplication factors, we can write the division factors also. From one multiplication factor, we can write two division factors. From 1 into 24 is equal to 24, the division factors are 24 by 1 is equal to 24 and 24 by 24 is equal to 1. From 2 into 12 is equal to 24, the division factors are 24 by 2 is equal to 12 and 24 by 12 is equal to 2. Similarly, from 3 8s are 24, we will get 24 by 3 is equal to 8 and 24 by 8 is equal to 3. From 4 into 6 equal to 24, the division factors are 24 by 6 equal to 4 and 24 by 4 is equal to 6. So what is a factor? A factor of a number divides the number completely with remainder as 0. So from this we can write the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Let's see properties of factors. First one is 1 is a factor of every number. Why? 1 divides every number completely. For example, 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. Next property is every number is a factor of itself. For example, 6 is a factor of itself. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Then 1 is the smallest factor of every number. For a given number, the factor starts from 1. It is the first and smallest factor of every numbers. Next property is every number is largest factor of itself. For example, the largest factor of 6 is 6. Next property is every factor of a number is either less than or equal to given number. For example, factor of 6 lies between 1 and 6. Similarly, factor of 24 lies between 1 and 24. Factor of 13 lies between 1 and 13. So, for a given number, the factor either less than or equal to that particular number. Let's see how to find factors for a given number. In order to find factors for a given number, there is two methods. First method is multiplication and second method is division. By these two methods, we can find out factors for a given number. For example, if the number is 12, find the factors of 12. The factors of 12 is lies between 1 to 12, that you know. Then check in multiplication table. Check the table of 2. There is 2, 6 are 12. So, both 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Then, check in the table of 3. There is 3 4s are 12. So, both 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Then, check in the table of 5. There is no 12 in this table. So, 5 is not a factor. We have seen 6 is a factor of 12. We have seen it already. Then check in 7. There is no 12 in the table of 7. So 7 is not a factor of 12. Check 8. No 12. So 8 is not a factor. Check 9. No 9. So 9 is not a factor. Check 10. No 12. So 10 is not a factor. Check 11. No 12. So 11 is not a factor. Check 12. Yes, 12 is a factor of 12. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. So 12 also a factor of 12. So 1 obviously 1 is a factor of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. That's how through multiplication finding out factors. Then how to find factors by division method? Check 2 is a factor of 14. Then divide 14 with 2. 7 2s are 14. It is complete division. So, 2 is a factor of 14. When check 3 is a factor of 14, divide 14 by 3. In that case, we will get 2 as a remainder. 2 as a remainder. So, it is not a complete division. So, 3 is not a factor of 14. That's how through division method finding out factors. Let's see how to find common factors. Common factors are common for two numbers. Find out common factors of 12 and 18. First, write the factors of 12. As per above method, write factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then write factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Then find out the common factors. Which all are the common factors? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 12 and 18. What are prime numbers and composite numbers? Prime number is the number which has exactly two factors. For example, 13. 13 has only 13 and 1 as factors. And composite number is the number which has more than two factors. For example, 12. 12 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 as factors. Let's check the divisibility of numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. In case of 2, at ones place the number will be either 0 or divisible by 2. That is the criteria. For example, in the number 1278, at ones place 8. This 8 is divisible by 2, so the whole number is also divisible by 2. In case of 3, take the sum of all digits. If that sum is divisible by 3, the whole number is also divisible by 3. For example, 3786. If we take the sum of individual digits, that is 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 24, and that 24 is divisible by 3, so the whole number is also divisible by 3. Then 4. In case of 4, we should look at the last two digits. If the last two digits are 0 or divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. For example, 82,916. In this, the last two digit is 16 and that 16 is divisible by 4. So, the whole number is also divisible by 4. And in case of 5, at ones place, the number is either 0 or 5. For example, 3725 at ones place, the number is 5, so the whole number is also divisible by 5. In case of 9, the criteria is same like that of 3. Take the sum of individual digits. If that sum is divisible by 9, the whole number is also divisible by 9. For example, 3627. Take the sum, we will get 18 and this 18 is divisible by 9. So, the whole number is also divisible by 9. And in case of 10, look at ones place. If the ones place is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. Let's do prime factorization. Prime factorization means what? Writing a number as a product of only prime numbers. Writing a number as a product of only prime numbers. Okay, this can be done by two methods, factor tree method and division method. First, let's see factor tree method. In factor tree method, we are repeatedly factorizing a number until we will get the factors as prime numbers. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Consider the number 12. First, write one of its factors. For example, 2 into 6. 6 is not a prime number, so we have to repeatedly factorize this. If we are factorizing 2, we can write 2 again. And if we are factorizing 6, we will get 2 into 3. Now we got prime factors. So the prime factorization product of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So that's how through factor tree method prime factorization is doing. And next method is division method. Next method is division method. This is simple. In this, we are dividing a given number by a smallest prime number which divide it completely with remainder as 0. We can explain this with the help of example. First, write a given number 36, draw like this, then divide this with a number which divide it completely with a prime number. It must be 2. Then we will get 18. Divide again with 2, we will get 9. Again with 3, we will get 3. Again with 3, we will get 1. So now we stop here. This is the prime factorization product of 36, that is 36 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the prime factorization through division method. Let's see what is LCM and HCF. From the name itself, you can understand what is LCM and HCF. What is the basic idea behind this? LCM is least common multiple and HCF is highest common factor. Let's see LCM. Among the common multiples, which is the lowest one? Which is the lowest one? That is LCM. Among the common multiples, which is the lowest one? Likewise, in HCF, among the common factors, which is the highest one? That is HCF. That is the basic idea behind LCM and HCF. From this, we can understand to what is the way, what is the simplest way, or what is the basic way to find out LCM and HCF. List the multiples, find out the common multiple, among this which is the least one, that is LCM. That is the method of finding out LCM. In HCF, list the common factors, among that which is the highest factor, that is HCF. That is the simplest idea. So let's do with the help of an example. Find out LCM of LCM of 6 and 12. First, multiples of 6. List out multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on are the multiples of 6. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. Which is the common multiples? 12, 24, 36. There are some other common multiples are also, but no problem. We have to find out the lowest one, so there is no problem. The lowest one is what? 12. So the LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. Similarly, we have to find out HCF also. Next, we can do the simplest way of finding HCF or the basic way. Find out HCF of 14 and 21. In this, first list out the factors of 14. They are 1, 2, 7 and 14. And factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Among these, which all are the common factors? 1 and 7. Among the factors, which is the highest one? 7. So, HCF of 14 and 21 is 7. This is the basic way. Let's do another way to find out both LCM and HCF. Let's do LCM through common division method. Find out LCM of 12, 18 and 24. First, we have to arrange the numbers for common division like this. Then The first lowest common factor of 12, 18 and 24 is 2. 6 twos are 12, 9 twos are 18 and 12 twos are 24. Again we have to divide it with 2. 3 twos are 6. We can't divide completely 9 with 2 but just bring down 9. Then 6 twos are 12. Then we have to divide it with 3. 1 threes are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 2 threes are 6. So from this how to find out LCM? Multiply these numbers in this area. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. That is 72. So LCM is 72. For 12, 18 and 24, LCM is 72. Let's do HCF by prime factorization method. I have listed an example 24 and 30. Find out HCF of 24 and 30. First, we have to prime factorize 24 and 30. Not common factors, we have to prime factorize. Let's do 24 by 2, 12, again with 2, 6, again with 2, 3, again with 3, 1. We got the prime number, so we stop here. In case of 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. So we stop here that we got the prime number. So the prime factor product of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and for 30 it is 2 into 3 into 5. In this, which all are the common factors? 2 and 3. Next step we have to follow is multiply with this the common prime factors, not common factors, common prime factors. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So HCF of 24 and 30 is 6. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Knowledge Masters.